Hi, my name is Khalid. I'm the owner of HowToBeAConsultant.net. Have you ever wondered whether or not you can be a consultant? It's not as difficult as you might think, but by the same token, it isn't as easy as you might think either. You could go ahead and make a lot of mistakes figuring it out for yourself, or you can visit my website at HowToBeAConsultant.net, download a free guide, How to Be a Consultant, and let me share with you some of the resources that I've used to take my life skills and experiences and make them available to businesses and others who are willing to pay me for those services. You might be surprised the valuable skills and experiences that you have. Visit us at HowToBeAConsultant.net, download the guide. It'll make your business and your future a lot better. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the site, HowToBeAConsultant.net.